Hi, this is Rick Long with Rick Long's Egypt and Wonder, and today I am wondering. Today I'm wondering why a 3,300-year-old knife buried with a teenage king defied everything that we thought we knew about ancient technology. November 1922, Howard Carter finds a dagger inside the coffin of Tutankhamun. At first glance, it looks ordinary, but when scientists analyzed the metal, something didn't add up. The blade contains nickel and cobalt, a chemical signature not found in early smelted iron. This iron, it seems, didn't come from the earth. Long before ironworking existed, the ancient Egyptians already knew that this material was special. Ancient Egyptians even had a name for it: metal from heaven. The knife had been forged from a meteorite, the only one like it anywhere in history. It was not just a weapon, it was a gift from the gods. Hey, thanks for spending a moment wondering with me. If you enjoyed this content, please like, subscribe, and share. It helps grow my channel. I'm Rick Long, and I am still wondering. I hope you are too.